Welcome back, my name is Peter, and so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to include bootstrap into your project. And to do that is actually quite easy. So open up your browser and type in bootstrap. Press enter and click on this first link over here. I think I messed up, so click on this link and it will take you to the bootstrap website. Now here you can actually download your copy of bootstrap. The current version is version 4.52, so I've already downloaded mine and it comes as a zipped folder, so you need to unzip it. So mine is somewhere here, so I've already unzipped mine, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it into my project somewhere around the static files. So I'm going to paste it in there. I might actually want to rename it to a something meaningful, so that will do. Now once we have all of that, just expand on that bootstrap folder, and you might actually want to delete a couple of things, probably these two, and open up the index.html. So bootstrap comes with a very nice example that we can actually use. So I'm going to copy all of this from body upwards and copy it, and I'm going to paste it inside my includes, probably in the headers file. So I'm going to just paste it in there, save it and close that, and then I'm going to go back to that index.html and copy from these scripts downward. Just copy all of that and go to the footer and paste it in there and save it. And we need to change this path to something like MDB, and this MDB is coming from how you named your bootstrap folder. And so I'm going to copy all of this, just copy and paste it there, and also there, and also there, and save that. Now we need to go to our I think this was the footer, so to our header file, and do the same. So I'm just going to paste that in there, and also somewhere around here, and last but not least there, and save it. Now let's go back to that index.html example. So I'm going to copy this nice example, just copy it, go back to, probably let's go to the index page. You can actually close that index.html, go back to our index.ejs. You can actually want to do with all of this. So I'm just going to delete that and paste it, just format that, Control S, and then we need to do the includes, the header and the footer includes. So I have them here, so I'm going to copy it and paste just on top of that and save it. And for the footer is actually here, so I'm just going to copy it and include it in my index file. So once I have that, I can actually go ahead and try and run my nodejs project. So I'm going to say run as nodejs application, and it is telling me it is listening to port 8081. I can go back to my browser and navigate to that index page by saying local host :: the port was 8081 / probably index, and with a little bit of luck it is going to work. So voila, now we are able to use Bootstrap. So in the next tutorial, we'll be looking on how to style our register page, and I'll work a little bit on the register page. So I hope you like this tutorial. Catch me in the next tutorial. We'll be catch me in the next tutorial, and hope you have a nice day. Thank you.